First, let's write the sample space. 10 cards numbered 1 to 10. Therefore, the sample space is the numbers 1 to 10. Now, we define the event with respect to the question. It is known that a number on the drawn card is more than 3. So my first event E is number on the drawn card is more than 3. Similarly, if you look at my event F, the drawn card is an even number. So I have defined E and F from the question. Now let's write the favorable outcomes of the event E, which is more than 3. From the sample space, I write number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is more than 3. Similarly, the favorable outcomes of F, which is the even numbers in the sample space, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now, I go back to the question and I check whether I have to find probability of E given F or probability of F given E. So it says known that the number on the drawn card is more than 3. That means this event has already happened. So I will find probability of F given E, because E defines the number on the drawn card is more than 3. This event has already happened. So the formula for probability of F given E is equal to probability of E intersection F divided by probability of E. Here, if you consider this as a fraction, never say it as probability of F by E. It has to be said as probability of F if E has happened or E is given. But for the time being, to remember the formula, let's consider this as a fraction. The denominator of this fraction F by E will be coming with the formula probability of E at the denominator, and the numerator will be the same, probability of E intersection F. Now, with respect to the formula, you have to find the probability of E intersection F. So what's E intersection F from this particular events? So the common elements are 4, 6, 8, and 10. Now, I have to find the probability of E intersection F, which is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So the number of favorable outcomes over here is 4, and the total number of outcomes is 10, and I get 4 over 10. Similarly, the denominator of the formula says you have to find the probability of E. So the probability of E is given by the number of favorable outcomes by the total number of outcomes. Here the favorable outcomes is 7 and the total number of outcomes is 10. That remains the same. So I get 7 over 10. Substituting back to the formula, I get 4 over 10 by 7 over 10, which is 4 by 7. This is using the formula of conditional probability.